So this question is very important towards your any competitive exams. Okay, the question is the period of oscillation of a simple pendulum is t equal to 2 pi l by 0 root over, and measured value of l is 20 centimeter, known to 1 millimeter accuracy, and time for 100 oscillation of the pendulum is found to be 90 seconds using a wristwatch of 1 second revolution. Resolution, then accuracy in the determination of g. We have to find the percentage of error in g. Okay, and the time period of oscillation simple pendulum, that formula is given, t is equal to pi l by g of root over, and error is l is equal 20%, and to be del l, change in percentage of error is 1 mm. Okay, now convert into the standard unit in centimeter, and time for 100 oscillation of the pendulum is found to be 90 seconds. That is t is equal 90 seconds, and the error of time is 1 second already is given. Now we have to find the value of g. Okay, we have to find the value of g. So that given is t is equal to 2 pi l by g is this one is given. Now squaring on both sides, what shall we get? Now squaring on both sides, that is squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, what shall we get? That is t square is equal to 4 pi square l by g. We have to calculate the value of g. Okay, now calculate the value of g. So g is equal to 4 pi square l by t square. This is the value of g. But in case of and here the 4 pi square is a constant. This is the constant. If constant and carries no error, and carries no error. Okay, so the definite value, so no error. 4 pi square is constant, that is no error. Okay, and the relative error, that form a del g by g is equal to del l by l plus 2 times of del t by t. But in case of l, here l is equal to 20.0 centimeter. Okay, the value of l is given 20.0 centimeter, and error in del l is given, error in length, that is del l, which is equal to how much? Error in length equal to 1 mm. So that is 1 mm is nothing but the convert into the standard unit centimeter is given here. Now convert into the centimeter, 0.1 centimeter. Okay, this is the 0.1 centimeter. Now time is also given. Now time is equal to 90 seconds for 100 oscillations. Okay, and error in time is given. So error in time, that is del t. Error in time del t is equal to how much? 1 second is given. Error in time is del t is 1 second. 1 second. So the percentage of error, in g, that is del g by g into 100% for del l by l plus 2 into del t by t whole of 100%. This one is the percentage of error. Now we have to substitute all those value, and l is given. L is equal to how much? 0.1, and del l is equal to 0.1 is given here, and L is equal to 20.0 plus 2 times of del T is equal to 1 and T is equal to 90 into 100%. Okay, now in case of solve it, and what shall I get? And 0.005 plus 0.0222 into 100%. So in case of adding these two numbers, so 0.02722 into 100% is equal to 2.72%. 2.72%. So this value is close to 3%. Okay, this value is, because in more than, in case of 2.5, as 2.5 is 7 here, this value 7, a more than 5, close to the nearest whole number is 3. So that is rounding to the nearest whole number. Rounding to the nearest whole number. Okay, that means your final answer is 3%. Option B is correct. Yes or no? Your answer is option B. पिला माने देखि परछो दिस क्वेश्चन केते इंपोर्टेंस क्वेश्चन देखो कौन देछि ना पीरियड ऑफ ऑसिलेशन of a simple pendulum is T is equal to pi L by G and measured value of L is 20.0 centimeter known to 1 mm accuracy and time for 100 oscillation of the pendulum is found to be 90 seconds using the wristwatch of 1 second revolution and the accuracy in the determination of 0 पचार percentage error देछि 1%, 2%, 3%, 1% and 5%. तेणु मु देख फॉर्मूला बिट बाय बिट मत प्रोब्लेम सॉल्व करे देछि देखि परछु पिला माने देख T is equal to 2 pi L by G लिखिली तापर स्क्वायरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड मु स्क्वायर नहीं गली तो T स्क्वायर इक्वल 4 pi L by G ये जीरो वैल्यू पचार जेहेतु G को आम सब्जेक्ट आकार आम लिखा ताल 4 pi स्क्वायर L by T स्क्वायर ये 4 pi स्क्वायर इज ए कांस्टेंट जन कांस्टेंट 4 pi पर्टिकुलर वैल्यू अच्छी तेणु कांस्टेंट जब कांस्टेंट होती किसी एरर आमर आसू ना है ताले रिलेटिव एरर फॉर्मूला तुम्हें पढ़ी थो गोटे फॉर्मूला तो रिलेटिव एरर फॉर्मूला लिखली del G by G इक्वल del L by L plus 2 into del T by T तेणु L वैल्यू तो गिवेन अच्छी एरर इन लेंथ वैल्यू गिवेन अच्छी मैं स्टैंडर्ड mm देती सेंटीमीटर कन्वर्ट कली देख सब वैल्यू को मुझे लिखिली एरर परसेंटेज G को 100% मल्टीप्लाई कली सब समस्त डाटा पुट कला 3% आमर एरर होची तेणु ऑप्शन आमर होची बीटा होची करेक्ट होची तेणु पिला माने एमितिका वीडियो देखिया लाइक कर शेयर कर और सब्सक्राइब कर जमार भूलिब ना अधिक वीडियो देखिया हेले प्लेलिस्ट को जाओ है से सब प्रकार वीडियो मुझे स्टेप बाय स्टेप सॉल्व कर देछि और प्रैक्टिस कर एग्जाम रे भल मार्क रखिया चेष्टा कर थैंक यू फॉर योर वाचिंग थैंक यू।